Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in right now, and then let's tap on the circle, which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage here. As you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available. In my case, I've got 26 updates pending, and if you want to, you can mark all of them, but you can also mark, for example, one or two of those apps. So let me pick, for example, the Google Chrome and the Gmail. Whenever you're ready, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be automatically applied. So basically you do not really have to do anything, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.